Grand Bazaar Istanbul. I'm gonna show you inside without speaking because too many traffic here. As you can see, guys, enjoy this walking place. Okay.
Dos? Una.
No, one. Yoshi. Has the warm inside? Wow. So you remove it, Chabuka, because the warm.
I know, it's hot. Not even warm. So this side is not gold side. This is the for cloth side actually.
But inside the things here are so expensive.
Yeah. Also all imitation. 99% imitation.
Not original.
Not original. Oh,
Maybe
Turkish brand things, yes,
I think
but
it's the wrong side.
no, this is the
Gold.
this is the cloth side.
Ah,
if
cloth.
you go one street to the other side,
Other
I will
side
show
is
you.
more cloth.
Gold.
Gold,
Let's
yeah.
pass also the side. Is the passage one? No problem. You can go.
Okay, let's pass here first. This is the Grand Bazaar. Really.
Whatever you see here, you see same thing in Eminönü, half price. Is negotiable.
But it's not nice. Let me see here. No, they don't put price.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Maybe we need to buy these things.
For what?
Or put in the shiny one.
This light. Light.
Yeah, light, stay. Historical.
Ah, for putting it home. I don't think they important. Oh, this thing. So we pass the side again.
Here, Main Street.
Ah, okay.
So we go this side.
I remember why I was taking a picture here.
Everyone try to picture there.
I remember so far being.
But shop owner doesn't allow the people actually normally.
Inside.
Because people only taking picture, they don't buy nothing. They only want to take picture.
Oh, so far take picture.
Okay, next side.
Picture like a paparazzi.
I was looking you, I couldn't find. Oh.
Me?
Yes.
Çok çok. they are interesting.
Look at this one.
They're too much artistic gold.
Actually, many people they don't come to buy a gold here. Why?
No, they buy it. Also,
Yeah, they buy.
look, they're wearing and they bring back and take it another bar.
Why?
Gold is gold, right?
Ah, you bring it back.
They bring, not, but they take the small price and sell you again. But this necklace is good, look. This necklace is good.
You buy two.
Yeah. Also like this.
Yeah, this one.
Which one?
This one is
Bu mu? Bu mu? Bu ha. This is too small. It can broke directly. It should be a little bit bigger. You know, like this.
I have mine. That's one.
Small one is çok çabuk broken.
Yeah, it's
You
broken.
buy this one and no one can be able to fix this one. It's gonna
No,
be
they
die.
fix it. They fix the machine.
They cutting, they stealing. So like this, Izmir is not going to break easily, but this also expensive probably. Probably this kind of, you need to buy like 14 karat for reducing the price.
Yeah.
My mafia.
Ah. You're not speaking nothing.
Baby, I need to speak small.
Enough. This is enough.
If you like something, they show me, I will speak. Actually, you know, they don't have any Christmas theme here. They don't care. New Year theme also. I didn't see the Happy New Year or anything. They only need the money. Gold.
This is Turkey, man. You don't care about the Christmas, about the New Year. I need to make a tour of showing, but otherwise I'm feeling.
You showed it. But shoulder also will show. Gold close, check small and go away.
It's for YouTube. Hi
Yes.
everybody, how are you?
I
What are you doing over there? Coming to Turkey?
Turkey has
Would you like to check inside? You can check inside.
Really?
You can record.
Ah, yes,
For
I can
YouTube.
record. This is spices.
Yes, please.
Ah.
How are you today?
Spices. Huh?
Turkish light. Turkish
Teşekkür
light.
ederim.
Test.
Bu ne?
Try.
Bu ne?
Try. Turkish try.
Hangi? Bu tatlı.
Tatlı, tatlı.
Hangi daha güzel?
Bu fıstık.
Bu hangisi?
Fıstık,
Bu.
fıstık.
Bu daha güzel.
Fıstık çok güzel.
Oo.
Canım
Bir
içini,
test.
içini yemedim. YouTube'a
Evet.
rezil olur.
YouTube. I'm testing.
Sen nerelisin?
Ben
Nerelisin abla?
Afrika.
Hangi Afrika'nın neresi?
Uganda.
Uganda.
Hmm.
Hoş geldin.
Evet. Güzel tatlı burada. Oo.
Afiyet olsun.
Çok güzel. Wow. Bu çay mı? Bu ne?
Oo, çay. Siyah çay, Türk çay.
Ha. Orada.
Orada.
No. Bu ne?
O mu? Öbürü mü?
Hı.
Forum çayı.
Ah.
Welcome. Selamat datang.
Vale.
That's why I leave you. Because you are making more.
Çanta güzel. Fiyat yok mu? Neden fiyat yok?
Burada.
Ha burada. Mesela bu ne kadar?
Euro mu dolar mı?
Ha dolar?
O 400 dolar.
Oh, Türk iş. Vale troco.
Türk 20 bin lira.
20 bin.
Batem
Ah,
muchísimas
güzel.
gracias. ¿Me ayudé, mami?
Çok güzel. Very beautiful. So I'm showing a beautiful guys. This is a beautiful chantal actually. I love it. Wow. Oh my god, I love this one. Oh. Bu ne kadar? Ah.
O 17 bin lira.
Yeah?
Ha.
7. 7 bin.
17. 10.
Ha 17.
17.
Ha 17. Ha 17 bin dolar ne kadar? Dolar.
Kaç?
400 dolar. 400 dolar. 400 dolar guys. Yeah, this shop is not joking. It's not joking. They don't price it. They don't put the price because it's touristic place. Because they made it too.
Vamos a por el de 200.
¿Y este qué precio tiene?
Ese pequeño 350.
No, pero el de antes era mucho más barato.
Para verano, ¿verdad? Ese color.
Sí.
Ondan geceden 120 tane, 126 tane oy girmiş.
If you don't see me, I'm waiting you somewhere.
I'm checking. So end of this market we're gonna cross and I will post without editing.
Yeah, this kind of thing you don't need it. You must be
Way, another way.
Okay. See the other end is visible.
This is the magic for Turkish decoration also. So this is the other side? For what?
Yeah, going in.
No. Then I'm gonna cross.
But it's many interesting people around.
Okay. Anyway, I'm not going to edit nothing. I will throw. Grand Bazaar, you can never walk out.
Dediğimde ben gördüydüm diye hatırlıyorum.
Harbi yok moruk.
Yeah, this is good. The other one it was more hot.
I think this side they will check it out.
Orago.
Ah.
Where your clothes? So we are going to cold area. Thank you for watching us. Let me show you before we close beautiness of Istanbul. When you come, you can really focus on this beautiness.